Hello, my name is Dr. Marci Littlefield, and today I'm going to talk to you about deviance, social control, and crime. Deviance is the violation of social norms. Prisons are society's formal ways to punish criminal behavior, and prisons are a method of social control used to address crime, and that's what we see on this picture. The goal of policing is to maintain stability and social structure, but citizens are not always treated equally. And that is the problem with our criminal justice system. Justice is not equally applied to all groups. This corporate CEO of Wells Fargo did not receive jail time for opening up fraudulent credit cards when Gerald Sanders, a black man in Alabama, spent 12 years in jail for robbery. Black Lives Matter. This is the Black Lives Matter movement. Black Lives Matter movement protests crimes against African Americans who have been recently killed by police officers and other whites and have not received the justice that they need. And there are plenty of cases, but what we see happening in our criminal justice system, that your race, class, and gender are a factor in who goes to prison, who stays in prison, and who's prosecuted. The United States has the highest incarceration rates of all like countries and other countries. We have the highest prison population. Minority groups make up the majority of prisoners. And what we see overall is that the prison population and the way in which our criminal justice system deals with deviance and perceived deviance is really a problem in the United States. And there are a number of factors that deal with who's punished for crimes. Those with more education are less likely to be in jail. That's not to say that they're not committing crimes, but they're less likely to go to jail. The United States, compared to other states, are more likely to have death penalty states. We believe in the death penalty. It is a problem. And this is also part of just the overall way that we see crime. We are in need of criminal justice reform in this country, because to deal with all the racial disparities and what